Good day. Nhasi tinoda kudzidza pamusoro the rules for divisibility. Saka rules for divisibility mitemo inoshandiswa kuti tizive kuti a certain factor inodivhaidha here into another number. Saka izvi zvinonyanya kutibatsira kana tichidhila nemanhamba akakura. For example, 2 inodivhaidha here into 15,346. That's an example. Saka tikaziva mitemo iyi, rules for divisibility, it will make life easier. Kana tiri kupaper 1 kwatisingatenderwi kushandisa calculator, uye kana tichida kuziva kuti a small factor, even a large factor, inoita here divide perfectly into another number. Saka tiri panhau iyi, I want you to research. Ndiri kuda kuti muriseche munhu anonzi Jacob Trachtenberg. I think that's the spelling. You can correct it. Jacob Trachtenberg. Saka just a briefer on who Jacob Trachtenberg is. Jacob Trachtenberg akanga ari muGulag, and we know vakaita history Nazi Germany kuti yakanga iri under a police state. Saka kwaiva avaiti re-education camps. Technical term riri Gulag. Actually it's just a prison, but rinopinzwa vanhu vese vaiva against the state, Hitler's Nazi Germany. Saka Jacob Trachtenberg was part of that clique. Anga akaiswawo mujere iroro, asi in there akadevisa a method of arithmetic manipulation. Kureva kuti akatsvaga nzira yekuedha manhamba akakura, kumultiply, kudivide nekusubtracta manhamba mahombesa. And there's actually what is called the Trachtenberg method. So out of interest, you can just learn it. It will help you, but it's not so much a necessity. Saka tiri panhau rules for divisibility, let me bring about a table which is going to give us a summary of what it really is. This is the summary we are looking at. Any whole number is exactly divisible by. Saka we are dealing with whole numbers. And I'm sure kuti at this stage, we all know kuti ma whole numbers chi. Saka ma whole numbers, these are numbers which are not fractions, to put it fairly. Saka tikatora the number 2 divides perfectly into another number if its last digit is even. Saka kana tiine number, for example, chiri kudelana 2 and tine number hombe 674. Kuti tizive kuti number iyi 2 anoita here divide into that number, the last digit of this number should be even. And then I'm sure kuti we know ma even numbers kuti akamira sei. This is a set of numbers which are basically multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth. Ndoanonzi machi ma even numbers. Saka kana last number iri even, hazvina basa kuti number yakakura sei, it might be 15,748. So long the last digit, this last digit, iri even, zvoreva kuti it is divisible by 2. Let us go to 4, because I want to believe kuti common sense dzinotiudza kuti kana 2 ichikwanisa kudivide into a number, 4 should also be able to divide into the same number. Saka tikatarisa zvakanyorwa pana 4 pakanzi if its last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4. Saka let us look at 674. Kuti tizive kuti number inokwanisa kudividwa na 4 here, the last 2 digits aya they should form a number, the sum of the last two digits, cannot, if its last two digits, they should form a number divisible by 4. Saka 74 ari divisible by 4 here. Ndomubvunzo watinozvibvunza. If we look at 15,748, we ask ourselves, 48 are divisible by 4 here? Of course, 48 are divisible by 4 tichiwana 12, and 74 are divisible by 4 here. We can try here, 74 dividing 4, 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 7, it's 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, to give us what? Sorry, 4 into 7 is 1, 5, 6, 7 to give us 34. Does 4 divide into 34? 4 does not divide into 34. Kureva kuti 4 divides into 15,748 as 4 haite divide into 674. Saka for 4, what we do is we look at the last two digits and we determine if they are divisible by 4. Alright, so we have done 2, tikaita 4. Let us go back to 3. Maybe let us try to follow this order. Tava pana 3. If the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So we have a number. Let us take, for example, 91. The sum of its digits, tinenge tichiti 9 plus 1, we get 10. Saka, to determine if a number is divisible by 3, we look at the sum of its digits. Tinoedha madigits acho. Answer yatinowana inodividwa here na3. Saka in the case of 91, tikuona kuti 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3. That means 91 yacho cannot be divided successfully by 3. Let us look at a number like 15,000, just 15,000. What is the sum of these digits? It's 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. This gives us 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Kureva kuti 15,000 can be divided by 3. So taita 2 to 3, let me just give a summary there. Pana 2, tati isusu if its last digit is even. Pana 3, tikati if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Kureva kuti we add each individual digit, then we determine if the sum is divisible by 3. Then pana 4 tikati if its last two digits form a number divisible by 4. Totarisa madigits maviri ekupedzisira, toona kuti madigits aya anodividika na4 here. We can come back here and let us say tine number 344. Tinotarisa these two last digits 44. Toona kuti 44 anodividika na4 here. Of course, achitipa 11. Kureva kuti 344 can be divided by 4. Let us now go over to 5. Pana 5 pakanzi if its last digit is 5 or 0. Saka kana tine number 267, toda kuziva kuti number iyi inokwanisa here kudividwa na5. Tinotarisa the last digit. The last digit should be either 0 or 5 kuti number yacho ikwanise kudividwa na5, of which pa 267 the last digit is 7. Kureva kuti that number cannot be divided successfully by 5, and by successfully tikureva kuti dividing without leaving a remainder. We can give an example of 22,675. So long the last digit inoi iri either 0 kana kuti 5, this number can be divided by 5. Saka I think for 5 it's quite easy. Let us go to 6. 6 yakanzi, if it is even and the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. If it is even and the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So tikatora namba yakaita sa267, tichida kuziva kuti tinokwanisa here kuidivhaidha na6 isingasiye remainder, we ask ourselves 2 questions. Question number 1, is it even? And 267 is even, it's an odd number. Ma-even numbers, numbers are not divided by 2 without leaving a remainder, or rather, multiples are 2. Then ma-odd numbers, numbers are in between. Saka, we don't have a need yekufunza the next question kana tatoti no to the first question. Saka panapa, the next question should be, is it divisible by 3? So tikatora a large number like toti 15,000, ndiri kuda 15,676, and tinoona kuti kutanga this question checks question 1 iripo because that number is even. Saka kuziva kuti number even kana odd tinotarisa the last digit, maona. Then tauda kuziva kuti question 2 noita check here. Question 2 iri kuti is it even and the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Saka panapa it's not only is it divisible by 3, but actually is its sum divisible by 3. Saka tinenge takuedda kuti 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. This is equal to, saka 1 plus 5 ndi 6, 6 plus 6 ndi 12, then 6 plus 6 ndi 18, then 18 plus 7, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, ndi 25. 25 iri divisible by 3 here? Of course it's not, but tikada kudzokera panapa toona kuti if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3, tikaedda madigits aya, that is 2 plus 5 tinowana 7. 7 it's not divisible by 3, kureva kuti 15,676 is not divisible by 6. It's fascinating, isn't it? Alright, 7 haipo because there's no clear rule pama numbers anokwanisa kudivhaidwa na7. Let us go to 8. 8 manje yakanzi, if its last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8, 25,242 ndo namba yatinayo. Toda kuziva kuti tinokwanisa here kuidivhaidha na8, tinotarisa the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits awa kwanzi, if its last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8. So tinotora aya panapa tomaseparator 242, toona kuti 8 anopinda iromo. 8 into 8 it's 1. What is 8 into 24? 8, 16, 24 it's 3. 8 into 2 yatova 0 with yatova neremainder. Saka because of this number cannot be divided by 8. Ko tikatora imwe number, let us say tatora 5,808. We separate 3 digits dzokupedzisira, toona kuti tinokwanisa here kudzidivhaidha na8. 8 into 8 1, panapa ndi 1, apo ndi 0, apa ndi 1, kureva kuti this whole number 5,808 is divisible by 8. Then what about 9? Kwanzi, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So we take an example here, 5808. We find the sum of its digits. Kureva kuti it's 5 plus 8 plus 0 plus 8. This is basically 16 plus 5, which gives us 21. And 21 cannot be divided by 9 because it's 9, 18, 27. Kureva kuti 9 is not a factor of 5808. Then lastly, tikada kutarisa 10, it's quite obvious if its last digit is 0. Saka kana tina 28,748, this cannot be divided by 10 without leaving a remainder. Asi 274,470. So long uchipera na 0, it is divisible by 10. So mitemo iyi speaking ndichirefer to Zimsek, hakuna question as far as I know inouya ichivhunza in particular kuti a certain number is it divisible by a certain number, but rather tiri kudzidza zvinhu izvi as a toolbox. These are just tricks and handy skills which help us with our mathematics. Kuti kana uri kupaper 1 poya manamba mahombe, can you determine kuti number yaurikuda kudivhaidha into number hombe inodivhaidha here? So these are basically the rules for divisibility. But we also have something else to consider. Let us do it. What do we have to consider? Saka imwe mitemo inoti there is no easy rule for division by 7. We've already determined this. Then A iri kuti if a number is divisible by another number, it is also divisible by the factors of that number. For example, a number divisible by 8 is also divisible by 2 and 4. Saka takatarisa panapa, zvazvirongoreva ndezvekuti kana number iri divisible by 10, zvoreva kuti inenge iri futi divisible by 2 by 5. And sanamba iri divisible by 10 inokwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na2 na5. Tikatarisa 10 yangoti if its last digit is 0, then dzinodivhaidwa na2 panzi if its last digit is even. Saka 0 is considered to be an even number. You see? So 0, is it even? Is it odd? I think this is a question for mathematicians. But I'm just trying to find relatability, a relationship between manumbers anokwanisa kudivhaidwa na2 nemanumbers anokwanisa kudivhaidwa na10. Tikaenda pana 5 manje ndo iri more clearer. 5 yakanzi if its last digit is 5 or 0, yet dzodivhaidwa na10 pakanzi if its last digit is 0. Saka difference iri pamanamba anodivhaidwa na5 na10 ndeyekuti anodivhaidwa na5 anozorequire kuti last digit ive futi 5, asi anodivhaidwa na10 anongoda kuti last digit ive 0. Saka this phenomena proves kuti kana number ichikwanisa kudivhaidwa this number, zvoreva kuti mafactors enumber yacho 2 na5 can also divide into that number. We can also look at 9. Toona kuti kana number ichikwanisa kudivhaidwa na9, zvoreva kuti inokwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na3. Saka pana 9 panzi if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9, pana 3 pakanzi if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. You can see a clear relationship there, ain't you? Alright, kana number ichikwanisa kudivhaidwa na8, zvoreva kuti inokwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na4 na2. Pana 8 pakanzi if its last 3 digits form a divisible by 8. Pana 4 pakanzi if its last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4. Then pana 2 pakanzi if its last digit is even. So mukatarisa pana 8 nepana 4 pari clear. Pana 8 pakanzi if its last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8. Then pana 4 pakanzi if its last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4. So I think it's actually clear there. We can also look at 6. Number inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na6 zvoreva kuti inokwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na3 yokwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na2. Pana 6 pakanzi if it is even and the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Pana 3 pakanzi if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Saka difference iripo ndeyekuti pana 6 panoda kuti ive even number yacho, asi that is not necessarily a requirement pana 3. Saka you can see the relationship there. Inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na4 inenge ichikwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na2, and pana 4 if its last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4, then pana 2 if its last digit is even. Saka we have sufficiently proved kuti kana number ichidivhaida into another number, ma-factors enumber iri kudivhaidha yacho also divide into, and it makes practical sense kuti number yese inodivhaidwa na10 inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na5. We all know that number yese inodivhaidwa na5 number yese inodivhaidwa na10 inokwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na2. It's quite obvious, but number inodivhaidwa na10 haidivhaidwe na3 because 3 it's not a factor of 10. Then pama rules of divisibility, b iri kuti if a number is divisible by 2 or more numbers, it is also divisible by the LCM of those numbers. For example, a number divisible by 6 and 9 is also divisible by 18. 18 is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9. So let us look at B more closely. If a number is divisible by 2 or more numbers, saka ngatore example, a number is divisible by 10 and 5. And so zvanzi, it is also divisible by the lowest common multiple of those numbers. A common multiple ya 10 na 5 example the 50. Is it the lowest common multiple? Might be, you can fact check, but in the 50. Saka number inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na10 na5 inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na50, ndo zvazviri kungoreva. Saka tikatora number inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na9 yodivhaidwa na3, zvoreva kuti number iyi inenge ichikwanisa zvakare kudivhaidwa na27, for example, which is a common multiple. Take note, handisi kuti lowest common multiple, but you can fact check. Saka ndo zvingoripo pa that rule number B. So you can check with ma combinations, like number inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na8 inenge ichikwanisa kudivhaidwa na4 na2 zvakare. What is the lowest common multiple of 8, 4 na2? Zvoreva kuti that number is also a factor. You can look at 6, zvoreva kuti inodivhaidwa na6 inokwanisa kudivhaidwa na3 na2, you do the same. You look at 4 and 2, you also do the same. So basically, that is what is happening there. All right, so we have done the theory part of this. Let us attempt to do a few examples. Example number 1. Test the following numbers to see which are exactly divisible by 9. So before we test anything, we should go check kuti what is the rule of numbers which are divisible by 9. Kwanza, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Saka tinoya panapa toti A, we have this number 5066. The sum of this number the sum of the digits in this number inenge iri 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 6. Saka 5 plus 1 is 6, so it's basically 6 of 18. 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Because mtemo wakati, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9, 18 is divisible by 9. Kureva kuti 51,066 is divisible by 9. Then we can go to B. To checker for 9,039. You can pause and try and attempt, then unpause to see the solution. So panapa, we are just going to say 9 plus 3 plus 9, which is what? It's 21. Is 21 divisible by 9? No, it's not. Correct. 9,039 is not divisible by 9. You can look at C, which is 48,681. We add 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1. 6 plus 4 into 10 plus 8 into 18, then 18 plus 9, 9, 18, 27. The 27. Is 27 divisible by 9? Yes, it is. Kureva kuti 48,681 is divisible by 9. Our next example, which of the following numbers 5, 6, and 8 would divide into 2,328 without leaving a remainder? Saka, we need to check for 5. 5 yanzi kudini, mtemo wacho nchiri kumurangarira wati a number which ends with either 0 or 5. Let me check. Yes, if its last digit is 5 or 0. Number yedu yo 2,328, the last digit is not 5 or 0. Kureva kuti it's not divisible by 5. If we check, mugona handisi kunyora anything because this is not testable, it's just a toolkit. If we check for 6 yanzi, if it is even, is it even? Yes, it is 2,328. So if it is even and the sum of its digits is divisible by 3, want to check for that. Saka the sum of the digits 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 8, it's equal to what? 8 plus 2 it's 10 plus 3 15, 16, 17. Is 17 divisible by 3? No, it's not. Kureva kuti 2,328 is not divisible by 8. If we check for 8, 8 yakati if its last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8. Saka we are going to check kana the last 3 digits, which are 3 2 8, are they divisible by 8? 8 into 8 1, 8 into 32, 8 16 24 32. So it's actually 4. 8 into 8 it's 1. Kureva kuti yes, 2,328 is divisible by 8. This is our last example. Find out which of the following numbers are exactly divisible by 4. Then number 2, I got to find out which of the following numbers are exactly divisible by 3. So I've done a lot of work to afford me the liberty of making this a homework. Saka, on your own, attempt that, bring your answers to me, and we will see if you have understood. But this homework, you are allowed to check with your notes, cannot with this diagram. You can compare with that diagram. If you want more questions on this for the sake of practice, not practicing for the examination, but practicing for your efficiency in mathematics, you can also contact me and I will provide them. Where can you get my number? It's 26371046950. It's available on WhatsApp. So get me there and I will offer other questions. And if you need extra lessons, extra help, tutoring, what have you, you can also contact me on the same number. Otherwise, thank you for your attendance to this lesson and take care.